What's up? I'm back. With today we're going to hack Sonic 2. What I mean by it, that we're going to go to the secrets. So, actually, you read the video what it says. So, what should I talk more? So yeah, let's go into it. So, let's go to sound test. So to do your test, you need to go to no save mode. Choose any of the characters and then do like me. Okay? So I'm going to choose Sonic and Tails since both of them are the main characters. Press SEGA. Oh, you should hear a ring sound when you press Sega name. And right here, if you hear a ring, you should press right here to go to debug to sound test. Okay, guys, let me redo it. Okay. Okay, I heard the ring sound. I press the plays with 2 fingers. What? Maybe I pressed them in the wrong position. Wait. Okay, so the problem was that I was pressing the first finger so fast, so I was just missing it. Okay, so let's watch the code. Let's try this 0, 0, 0. So let's watch it. 0, 0, 0. Ta-da! Now here you can do whatever you want. Okay, so let's put this code. 4, 1, 2, 6. So this one. 4, 1, 2, 6. You have unlocked all the 7 chaos emeralds. No need to go to the special stage. So now let's watch how to get into debug mode. This code 19921124. Let's write it. 1 9 9 2 1 1 2 4. You're the ring sound. What? When you hear the ring sound, that means you have unlocked the debug mode. So let's go, I guess, to how did I do the speedrun? So I want to go here, but I guess actually let's go here to I guess the first act to see how it works. Okay, so let's go, guys. Check this out. I feel from stacking, but it's real. I'm playing as Knuckles. Red Tails. It's been a long dream since I really wanted this to happen. Wait, can Knuckles just be with Tails? Wait. I want to try something out. Ooh. I'm invincible. Okay, now because we unlocked all the 7 chaos emeralds, you need to get 50 rings. Tell you why? To do this. Let's get 50 rings, then I'm going to tell you something, guys. Wait, guys. Press here with me. Press it with me. What here? Press it. Let's press it. Then press continue. But I won't show you that. So after that, you can see that you have unlocked debug mode. If you press the jump button, you'll spawn a ring. Thanks, they're giving me 3 rings. Okay, well now I have 50. As I say, if you press the plus button, you can go into places. So let me put this here, and that's how everything. So let's go back. If you want to get back to normal mode, press the same thing in the same place. Then you're back. So as you see, now if you have 50 rings, look up and then jump. Ta-da! You have unlocked your dream of Super Knuckles. It's true. The legends are true. He is between all of them the best. Actually, Super Knuckles is exactly as Sonic speed. Not gonna lie. We end the video. Bye.